Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has hailed the impact of South Africa's emerging talent following their solid performances in the June international friendlies against Tanzania and Mozambique. The national team registered a goalless draw against the Taifa Stars before bouncing back with a convincing 2-0 win over the Mambas, leaving the Belgian tactician with a pleasant selection dilemma ahead of the upcoming World Cup qualifiers. Speaking in the aftermath of Tuesday's victory, Broos expressed his satisfaction with both the result and the performances, particularly from the younger members of his squad, and said, "Yes, I think it was the right moment to give them a chance. When you are young and have quality, age doesn't matter. Some players really took their opportunity with both hands over these two games." With a smile, Hugo Broos admitted that the performances have complicated his selection process and said, "They've made my job difficult now for September when I have to select the squad for the World Cup qualifiers. But I'm happy to have this kind of problem. It means we have young, talented players ready to step up." Broos, who has consistently emphasized the importance of squad evolution, was particularly impressed with the way his team controlled proceedings in the Mozambique match and said it was a very good performance. In the first half alone, we could have been up by 3 goals. Our ball circulation was good. There was plenty of movement and the pressing was excellent. One player who caught the eye was Kwaiba, who improved significantly after the break and said he was much better in the second half. He could have scored 3 goals, but what matters most is the quality of the chances we created. Among the standout performers was teenager Thapelo Nkotha, who made his full debut against Mozambique after earning minutes off the bench in the draw with Tanzania. The attacker showed flashes of potential that could see him become a regular fixture in future squads. In defense, Mbogazi partnered seamlessly with his club teammate Nkosinathi Sibisi, calm and composed. The young defender gave another assured display, further underlying the depth in the Bafana Bafana ranks. Several of these youngsters are expected to feature in the upcoming African Nations Championship CHAN finals in August, a valuable opportunity for Broos and his technical team to assess their readiness ahead of more competitive fixtures. The spotlight will then shift to the crucial World Cup qualifiers in September and October. Bafana Bafana currently top their group with a 5-point lead, and upcoming fixtures against Lesotho away, Nigeria home, Zimbabwe away, and Rwanda home could determine their path to the global stage. With momentum building and new stars rising, Broos may find that trusting in youth is not a gamble, but a winning formula. People also reacted after the game and praised Mbegezeli Mbogazi on social media. One said, "Joseph Makhanya deserves his flowers. He's feeding Bafana Bafana quality stars, Mofokeng, Nkotha and Mbogazi. Wow, take a bow, sir." Another one said, "Mbegezeli Mbogazi was a DTC player when the year started. 6 months later, he has played in the KFCL and today starts in the Bafana Bafana game against Mozambique. Talent and dedication is the alpha of things great." Another one said, "Mbegezeli Mbogazi is one of the best defenders in South Africa and will only keep getting better." Another one said, "Mbegezeli Mbogazi is going to the Under-20 World Cup and AFCON and he's not going to sit on the bench." Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.